Assalamualaikum. Sir, myself Ahmad Ali Abdullah.
Walaikum sir.
Assalamualaikum sir, myself Mandisha Mariam.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sir, myself Ahmad Ali Abdullah.
Walaikum assalam. Please listen to me carefully. Okay. Today I am discussing the exercises, remaining part of the question exercises. Is it clear? And please mute everyone. I will explain the exercise. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. And I don't want anyone's mic open. So please mute yourself.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Islam. Yes. Okay. I accept all the greetings. Yes.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum assalam. Please open your book. I am starting. Okay.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Sir, I just wanted to say this. Can you reassign the assignments of physics chapter 2?
Okay, I will inshallah. But right now, concentrate on the class. Okay.
Okay sir.
And everyone, listen to me carefully. Yes, Asma, you are raising your hand. Any problem? Asma, beta. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Yes, is I audible?
Assalamualaikum sir.
Walaikum salam. Is I audible to everyone?
Yes sir.
Okay. Beta, chapter 2. You don't know which chapter is going on? Muhammad Uwais.
Assalamualaikum sir.
Okay, listen to me carefully. Okay. I am okay. So everyone open page number.
So today we will do exercises. No, fill in the blank. Section 1,
Yes,
fill in the
sir.
blank.
Okay, I am starting from the first question. Okay, listen to me carefully and
sir.
I am saying that listen to me carefully. Okay, and in the
Okay, sir.
last, after discussing, I will give you some questions. You have to submit in the class time. Okay, so don't
Okay.
waste the time. And I am starting. The first question of section 1 is the determination of size, quantity, or capacity of an object. This part is already. Okay. The second one is the known fixed quantity used to compare an unknown quantity. This section is completely discussed in the class.
Unit. Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
This section is also, these sections
Yes,
also discussed in the class.
Yes, sir.
I think this complete 32 pages discussed in the class.
Yes,
Now
sir.
coming,
Page number 22 was complete and page number 33.
okay.
Fill in the blank.
Okay. On
Sir,
page,
sir, I wanted to ask something.
yes, beta.
Sir, I was saying that did you told our marks for physics?
Yes, beta.
Sir, can you please tell mine? Because, can I speak?
Beta, I'm right now, I am discussing the exercises, and in the same time, I want you to do some numericals also. So whoever wants the marks, please WhatsApp me. Okay, I will inshallah reply. Okay. Okay, listen everyone. Okay. The first fill in the blank is the distance between the two ends of an object is called, all know it is called as length. The error caused due to the improper positioning of I, all know it is written in your book, it is called parallax. The time that corresponds to 7 p.m. you have to write in 24 hours clock. Okay, and fourth one is we use dash in athletic meet to measure the time. Okay, but this is two options are given to you: wristwatch and a stopwatch. And this you have to select which one is more correct and which one is used in athletic meet. And the fifth one is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit scale is taken as it is already given on page number 26. Okay. And the sixth one is dash the dash of a water is used as a upper fixed point. On a Celsius scale, you have two options are given. You again read page number 26 and 27. You will get the answer, inshallah. For any type of confusion, yes, very right. Yes, good. In section number 2, give the reason for the following. In this, all the lengths cannot be measured in meters. Yes, we all know that everything cannot be measured in meters because some things are big in size, some things are small in size. So there should be different measurements, okay, or we can different instruments for measuring the objects. I hope this is clear. And the clinical temperature has marking from 95 Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Yes, it is also known why it is there, because it is given on page number 27 that the human body will not go below 35 or above 42 degree. Okay, is it clear? And in Fahrenheit also, this is given the same. And now the next question is, railway alcohol thermometer are not used for checking the boiling point of water. Okay, this is already discussed that it is starts yes, it is given on 27. You can read it, and if you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay. Now, railways and airlines uses 24-hour clocks rather than 12-hour clock. It is given on 20 page number 25. Okay, you can read last paragraph. You will get the answer, inshallah. And for G part, distinguish between the following. This you have to tell multiples and sub-multiples of meters. Okay, so you can read the chapters again and again, because inshallah very soon we will have the test again, inshallah. And there is given on page number 19 multiples and sub-multiples of meters. You can see it, remember it. Anti-meridium and post-meridium. Okay, you have to distinguish, means AM. Second one, please tell me. F. Okay. The clinical thermometer has marking from 95 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. So this, for this you have to read 27 page number. Okay. In the under the heading of clinical thermometer. Okay, you will read it, and if you have any problem, then ask me. Okay. So anti-meridium and post-meridium, in short, it is called as. We are doing question answers, beta. Hamza Kamar, what we are doing? We are just discussing the exercises. Beta, this is several times I told you. Is it possible that any test is took place without informing the students? You start preparing whenever the test will be announced. You should be prepared for that. Okay, so you know anti-meridium stands for AM and post-meridium stands for PM. Okay, the morning time before 12. Okay, it is from 12 midnight to 12 noon. It is called as anti-meridium, and after 12 noon to 12 midnight, it is considered. This is called as post-meridium. That is PM. Okay, that is it clear? Clinical thermometer, lab thermometer. It is also given on page number 27. Read it and understand and write down the answers. Okay, I am telling you the page so that you should know where it is given. Okay. Now Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale is also given on page number 26. There are two different scales. We have to distinguish when you are distinguishing this thing, Celsius and Fahrenheit, you should also show the marking also. Means this scale, Celsius scale starts from this degree and Fahrenheit scale starts from this degree. Is it clear? So now explain the following H part. Measurement. Okay, you all know about measurement, that it is given on page number, what should I say, 2017. That measurement means it is a determination of size, quantity or capacity. In this paragraph, you will get your answer, inshallah. Beta, physics, I told you several times, Ubada. Physics means numerical. You have to do numericals. Okay. You have to complete the numericals also. I'm not showing any, I'm not writing on anything on the screen. That's why screen is not visible. I'm not sharing right now. I'm just discussing this exercise. Now units, you all know units is also given. Okay, units for that. For measuring of an unknown physical quantity, we have to compare it with a known fixed quantity called as unit. Very good. Shari Shanawaz. Okay, that's good. Right. Okay, the last one is parallel error. Again, it is given and you can write accordingly. Short answers question, why is the length not measured using a hand span or cubit? Because everyone has different dimensions of their hand span. So if you do measuring the things, then your measurement will be not correct. Okay. Write any two rules to be kept in mind while using SI unit. Rules are given here. Okay. On page number 18, you can read it and you can write it. Okay. Now please tell me, now I unmute you all. Up to this you understand all the things?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
good.
Sir,
One
sir,
by
but
one.
I'm not understanding first one in short answer question.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
We have understood.
Yes, listen to me. Who is saying this? Who is not understanding the first one?
Sir, Isma.
Sir, I have understood.
Okay, okay. I'm
Sir,
telling
I
you, better
understood.
listen to me again. Otherwise, I'll meet you all again. Because Asma, your hand span length is different. Sharish hand span length is different. Okay, Anusha hand span length is different. So if you are measuring the length of your table, then there should be different measurements according to the length of the hand span. That is why, okay, we have not used hand spans. We have to use some standard measuring device, that is meter, scale or rulers. Okay, Isma?
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta.
Sir, I have done all the exercises except numericals. I just
Beta,
wanted to know if you have
I
to do them or
told
not.
you and I said this thing
Yes, sir.
several times that physics stands for numericals. Physics, numericals. Okay. Practice, okay. You only need practice. Most of the question will come numerical. Remember this thing.
Sir, I have done. Sir, I have
Okay,
done
sir.
numerical.
Okay,
Sir, I
quiet,
have done numerical.
quiet. I said quiet and listen to me. So the fourth one is, what is the principle behind beam balance? Sorry, it is also given.
Can I tell?
So can I tell?
No,
Sir, can I
just
tell?
listen. No, beta, just listen to me. You all knows. I know. It is given also on page number 23.
Page number 23.
Yes, when the two objects are equal masses and placed on the two spans on either side of the beam, the state of balance is achieved. Now move to question number 4. Short answer question. Why do we use data thermometer instead of mercury? We all know because mercury is poisonous. It is injurious to health if it is broken inside our mouth. It is also given on page number
Sir, you
27. Okay.
yes, sir, I have written from there only.
Okay, very good. So Now move to long answers. Okay. Why do we need standard unit to measure physical quantities? You can read page number 17. 17, 18, you will get the answer, inshallah. All know 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Okay. Explain the precautions while measuring using length. It should not be broken. Our eye should be perpendicular, or it should be straight to the digits mentioned over the ruler. Okay. And it should be starting from 0. How do we find area of irregular body? Here it is written that you have to count the number of complete squares, then add number
sir.
of squares which are more than half, and in this way you will get the answer. Okay, describe clinical thermometer and explain why there is a king in it. It is also given that there is a slight cling in the stem just above the bulb to ensure that mercury does not move back. Okay. So these numericals is already been discussed in the last lecture. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir, we have discussed.
Okay.
Yes,
Now listen to me carefully. For picture study, you have to, there is a first one, a leaf is made. Okay. How you will have to calculate the area? For that, I am telling you one thing. I am sharing your screen. Wait for a second. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my screen is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Wait
sir.
for a second.
Yes, sir.
Yes. This leaf which comes to your screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way of doing the things. Okay. Just you have to count the complete squares. Okay. Then you have to count the squares, beta, which are more than half. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you will do like this. Is it clear?
Less than half, sir, and less than half.
For
and
less
left.
than half, you have to leave that thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this thing is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir. It's very easy.
Okay.
Sir,
that's-
what?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now listen to me carefully. Okay.
Clear.
Right now, I am giving you some questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will not repeat it. So please listen to me carefully. I am giving you some questions. You have to convert it into another units. Okay. For that, you have to show the complete calculation. Okay. If anyone escape, if anyone didn't do the complete calculations, or he or she just fill the blanks, okay, so I will consider as wrong. Is it clear?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
we have
Yes,
to. Sir, we have to do in the graph.
No, what I am saying, I am giving you some fill in the blanks right now, and you have to complete it. For calculation, listen, for calculation, you have to take out your notebook and solve there, and also click the photograph of that page and send it to me on my number.
Sir, we have to take our pen notebook.
Yes. Okay. Now I am posting here also, and I am posting on the group numericals. Okay. And listen to me, if anyone do shortcut, okay, didn't complete the calculation, then I will not consider as a correct. unless if it is correct
Sir.
also.
Sir, we
Okay.
have to do in notebook.
Sir, we have,
Yes.
sir, we have to draw figure also.
Beta,
Which you
I
will
am giving
send.
you fill in the
We
blanks.
have to find solution.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, yes, this question is visible to you. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir,
no.
your screen is visible, but the question is not visible.
Wait for a second. Okay, this is you have to complete and complete the whole calculations. Okay,
Okay, sir, I'm doing.
and all of you send it to my number.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this is our question.
These are the questions you have to do. Okay, you have to also, if you
Sir, this is our question.
Then, sir, it is tough.
yes, beta.
Sir, it is tough.
Sir, we have to write question.
You have to. This is up to you, beta. Listen to me. This is up to you. Don't waste your time. You have to complete in the class time.
Sir,
Maria?
sir, this is.
Do not speak in Urdu. Do not speak.
We have to do this. Sir, I want to ask that we have to do it in the school copy.
Yes, beta. Anywhere you have to do. Put the date. Is it back? It is better to write on your school copy.
Submit to the school.
Okay, remember this thing that you have to show complete calculation. This is mandatory. I am giving this thing to you because such type of question will definitely come in the test, upcoming test. Is it clear?
Sir, I'm not understanding third one.
In third one, 50 grams, you have to convert in kg.
Sir, we have to submit this on the personal number.
Yes,
Sir, you want that to do calculation also. Sir? Sir?
yes,
Sir?
yes, tell me.
Calculation also.
Your voice is not coming. Speak loudly.
Sir, we have to do calculation also.
It is compulsory to do calculation, otherwise I will not consider it correct. Okay, please correct the date. It is 3021 instead of 2021. So do correct. You can see the conversion also from your book, but try to show the calculation. Remember this thing in test also and in exams also. Calculation should be there. What happened? The strength of students are very less today, only 18 participants. Yes, is I am audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Yes, beta. What happened?
So we have to multiply with 100 now.
Beta, Rashid Ali, speak loudly, please.
Sir, I am saying that the centimeter is 5, 9 and 8 meter centimeter. That's it. We have to multiply with 5, 598 where the 100 number.
Your voice is not coming, Rashid. Your voice is not coming clearly. Okay, okay, okay. You can voice note, send it to me. Beta, remember this thing, if you do it correctly by your own, okay, it means that your preparation is going good. Okay, beta. So remember, very good, mashallah, mashallah. Beta, your voice is not coming clearly. Please speak a little loudly. Okay. It is very easy. You have to convert 37 centimeter into millimeter. You have to know the conversion. How many centimeters are there in millimeters? Second one is you have to 598 meters are given to you. You have to convert it to centimeters. Okay. And third one is 50 grams. You have to convert into kg. These are very easy. Okay. Do it again and again. So you will have a good practice. Yes, anyone do first, second part? Anyone has completed?
sir.
How many
Yes, sir. I
students?
am on fourth. I
Okay,
am on fourth.
mashallah, mashallah, that's very good. Please send me if you complete first and second, so that I should get know.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, I
yes,
will
but-
doing.
okay, very good, mashallah. Okay. Yes, Ahmad Ali, is it clear to you?
I have to send you first and second part first.
You can send me, okay, so that I get know how much, you are doing the calculation. The basic motto is that to check the calculation, the way you are doing the calculation is important. Yes, beta, Yusuf, that's good. You have to think for future. 1000 years. Is it 1000 years or 30 or 10 years? Voices are not coming clearly. Please WhatsApp me if you are saying anything. It may be your connection is not stable. Yes, Ahmad Ali, you are recording something. Yes. Okay. Yes, Cherish. Is it visible now? Inshallah, I will send you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Cherish, beta.
Sir, yes, I am sent to you.
Yes, yes, I saw it. Hana. Hana Ubaid, I think it's your full name. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hana Ubaid, what is this? What is this? You are doing the same thing again and again. Earlier also I told this thing that why don't you solve it in the copy? You are just putting the answers in the test also. You do on the same page. I don't know what is the reason.
Sir, my voice is coming now.
I just told in the class, you are not listening, you are not concentrating.
Sir,
The teachers spoken in the class are giving instructions. You have to solve it.
my voice is coming now to you. Sir, I am saying that we have 598.
Hana, I will not consider it. Okay. There's several times I told you I will.
Okay, so I'm doing it again.
And remember this thing. If you do it in the test, I will not consider. I will not give you any mark.
How we have to divide the 598 with 100?
Beta, 598 into 100 divide by 100. Then 0 cancelled out. Whatever you are doing now, beta, don't think it is right or wrong. Just try to come do it. If you have any problem, then I will correct it, inshallah. Okay. Anushka messages.
We have to do all and submit to you. You are saying that we have to do first and second, then first we have to submit that on.
Beta, listen to me. You have to do it all, okay? And you have to submit on my number. This thing is clear to everyone, I think.
So after period we can submit.
You after period you can submit on my number.
Okay, sir.
So take time, do it in proper steps. Okay, you can submit by evening also. Okay, but please try to do correctly. Okay, take time because only you have practice makes you perfect in numericals.
First and
Okay, I will check it later. Isma and second one is Anusha. Okay, don't worry for that. I will check it. 50 dam, Isma, you left 50 dam into HM, that is hectometer. It is given the table also. I told this earlier, you have to remember the tables. Yes, Ahmed Ali,
Sir,
wait for a
check.
second. Yes, beta.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Yes, who is this?
My answer is correct. Sir, my answer is correct.
Rashid Ali. Rashid Ali, I didn't get your message. And your WhatsApp.
So what you are saying?
I'm not getting message from Rashid Ali. You are again shouting, huh? Do you send me? I will check it and reply to you.
Sir, my sister.
Sir, my what is wrong?
Yes, beta.
I'm not shouting. My brother and sister are playing. That's why it's coming too much. Sir, I'm sending you out.
Everyone listen to me. Everyone send their solutions to me. I will reply it. Okay. After the class.
Sir, my is correct.
Be
Beta,
quiet.
I
Sir, my answer is correct.
You have checked my. So what is wrong? I have left 2 and
Beta, listen to me. You left the thing that you complete it and send it to me. I will tell you the answers to everyone. Okay. Don't worry for that. Okay. Because meeting is just about to over. Okay. You can send me and inshallah after the class because I have another period right now. Okay. Just after your class. So I will check it inshallah and reply it to you. Don't worry for that.
okay, sir. Sir,
Okay,
when
beta.
so you will take our physics chapter 2 test or you
Very
will
soon.
start chapter
Beta,
3.
if you do, I see, first of all, I observe how many students do this thing correctly. On that basis, I will decide the date because calculation is everything. In the coming test, I will do a lot of calculations. So you have to prepare for that.
Okay.
I told you several times physics means numericals.
Okay, sir.
Sir, these like this you have given calculations.
Yes,
we
yes.
can remember like